मतलब जिसको हिंदी रैप का आर भी ना पता हो, आई वॉकड इन विद द एक्सपेक्टेशंस जस्ट फ्रॉम द लीडिंग पेयर, एंड हियर आई कम आउट विद अ heavy art and so much of self-realization. Hi guys, this is Rishika. You're watching Koi Moi and I'm going to be honestly reviewing Gully Boy. For those who've been continuously hearing but have no idea to who Divine and Nazy are, they're both rappers based out of the underground scenario of Mumbai जिन्होंने YouTube पे अपने society based rap से आफत मचा दी थी. Now this story is not their biopic but it is sort of inspired by it. Gully Boy revolves around the story of Murad, played by Ranveer Singh, जिसको बनना है एक rapper, but because of the society, because of the conservative family and relatives, and because of monetary deficiency, he is unable to do so. And उसके पापा उसको बोलते हैं जाके कोई नौकरी ढूंढ ले. Now, rest of the story revolves around how he meets the guardian angel in his life and emerges victorious over time. So after hotshot movies like Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Dil Dhadakne Do, director Zoya Akhtar is finally marching into this unexplored territory of celebrating Mumbai streets. ये तो हमें पता था कि the movie is going to be dark, but she's narrated the entire tale in the softest way possible. Like, you know, it's not going to give you sleepless or haunted nights, but at the same time, it's very, very, very impactful. डायलॉग राइटर विजय मौर्य, जिनको प्रीवियसली नेशनल अवार्ड मिला है फॉर ओरिजिनल स्क्रीन प्ले इन चिल्लर पार्टी, एग्जैक्टली नोज द ड्रिल. He, along with the screenplay writer of this movie, Reema Kakti and Zoya, have put their heart and soul into this, and the result of it is an impressive Gully Boy. With super duper authentic art direction, the makers have chosen for location that give you the exact realistic approach required. Now, don't mistake this for Slumdog Millionaire because the slums out here are as real as it can get. तो मूवी के जूकबॉक्स में 18 सॉन्ग्स है, sung by 20 आर्टिस्ट, जिसमें से 7 तो रणवीर सिंह ने गाए हैं. Now every song might not be a part of the movie, but जितने भी हैं फाड़ हैं, like a Bohemian Rhapsody or a Star Is Born, or for that matter Jagga Jasoos in terms of Bollywood. This one also fits into the place and has exact instrument of music stitching right with the narration. One thing that I'm certain about is that this movie isn't of any one star. It's a compilation of strong supporting cast, and आज मैं सबके बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ, तो पॉपकॉर्न लेके बैठ जाओ. तो मूवी में there's this dialogue कि अपने अंदर के लावा को बाहर निकाल. And Ranveer Singh has exactly adapted this for his portrayal. He's smooth as ever and effortless as Murad. पहले Simba, Padmavat, and now Gully Boy. सच्ची में रणवीर सिंह जैसा कोई hard hitch नहीं है. Also, I feel कि this was an on point and a perfect chance of making a debut as a rapper because there's no यार तेरा superstar देसी कलाकार और मेरी situation पे ना laugh करो, मुझसे दूर रहो, मुझे माफ करो. But a genuine rap coming out of his heart and a star shining in the sky. Siddhant Chaturvedi as MC Sher. भाई कौन है ये बंदा? He just comes in like a wave and पूरी मूवी में आफत मचा देता है. In short, his character is like a supporting pillar to Ranveer's character. Alia Bhatt as Safina goes all out and leaves no stone unturned to express her love for Murad. She goes a level upward from her last outing, Razi, and there I said it. Kalki Kikla as Sky goes down the same path as she has gone before. A confused lover but ambitious about her work. Dimag ki batti jali. Vijay Raj as Ranveer's father finally gets a role to patch his talent. After an average 2018, he's back with a bang. Be it in terms of an emotional scene or the ones where he's just an unjust man, he is nailing it all. और इनके साथ ही और एक विजय है, विजय वर्मा, the druggy friend of Murad. His character, let me tell you, gets the best writing. And ये हो गया characters के बारे में. So watch or not. इतना कुछ बोल दिया, उसके बाद भी do you need an answer? Just go and watch it. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to be rating Gully Boy at. Yes. आएगा, मेरा टाइम भी आएगा. अगर तू अपने दोस्तों से भी लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब करवाएगा. वैसे भी नंगा ही तो आया है, बेल बजाएगा तो तेरे बाप का क्या जाएगा? Go hit the bell icon right now, like, share, subscribe. See you all next week.
koimoi.com